In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default behavior to reply all. If you often email groups or project teams, setting reply all as your default can save you clicks and prevent someone from being left out of the conversation. Just remember, reply all sends your message to everyone on the thread, so it's a good idea to take a quick look at the recipients list before you hit send. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to adjust. In the top right corner of Gmail, you'll see the gear icon for settings. Click that, and in the panel that appears, choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard, which is where Gmail keeps the options that affect how your inbox behaves. You'll land on the General tab by default. This tab controls a lot of everyday features like conversation view and undo send, but the one we want is a little further down. Scroll until you find default reply behavior. You'll see two choices here, reply and reply all. By default, Gmail is set to reply, which sends your response only to the original sender. Select reply all instead, so Gmail will include everyone on the original message when you click reply. Once you've made that selection, keep scrolling to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is important. Some settings in Gmail autosave, but this one requires you to confirm. If you leave the page without saving, the default won't be updated. From now on, when you press the reply button on a thread with multiple recipients, Gmail will automatically prepare a reply all message. You can still choose a single recipient reply anytime by clicking the small drop-down next to the reply arrow in a message and selecting reply. This setting simply changes what Gmail assumes you want to do first, which helps streamline your workflow if group responses are your norm. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts, this setting is per account, so repeat these steps in any other inbox where you want reply all to be the default. And even with this default enabled, it's smart to give the to and CC fields a glance before sending, especially for sensitive topics, to make sure everyone, and only those who should be included, are on the message. That's it, you've set reply all as your default. If your needs change, you can return to the same setting anytime and switch it back. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.